This video will illustrate how to force install ReadSpeaker TextAid to your Chrome browser. ReadSpeaker TextAid is purchased as either a bundle of licenses or as a site license. If you have not created an organizational unit that contains the students to receive ReadSpeaker TextAid, please complete that step at this time. The steps for creating an organizational unit and adding members to it are located in another video. Once you have created your organizational unit, pick back up with the steps in this video. Log into your Google admin account and navigate to your admin console. Click on Devices. Now, click on Chrome Devices. From the breadcrumb line, click on Devices. Click on Apps and Extensions. On the left side of your screen, click on your organizational unit that contains the students to receive ReadSpeaker TextAid. In a yellow circle on the right-hand side of the screen, click on the Chrome icon. A pop-up window for the Chrome Web Store appears. Search for TextAid. Click on ReadSpeaker TextAid for Chrome. Select. Click on the Allow Install drop-down list, located to the right-hand side of ReadSpeaker TextAid for Chrome. Select either Force Install or Force Install plus Pin. If you have the Force Install plus Pin option, students will not have to pin the TextAid extension to the Chrome browser. If you select Force Install, your students will have to click on the puzzle piece on the Chrome browser and click on the push pin to pin the extension to their Chrome browser. Make your selection. Click Save. You have now installed the ReadSpeaker TextAid extension to your selected organizational unit.